guys, I'm back again, and sorry if I was hurting. I am sick today, so good morning, and I just want to say you hi guys. Yeah, don't mind that because I'm looking for something. So let's start. Okay. Nope, up or down. So yeah, of course I will push the button. So yeah. So this is the first OB, and it is pretty easy indeed. Go back. No, I don't want to go. And this is the second OB. I think for me it's very hard. It's very hard, but I can do it because I'm you. Okay, this is the part where the pizzeria is going to chase me. Yeah. Of course, I can do this just because I said I'm unique. Okay, this is the fourth OB, and I have a trick to this. You can just walk right here, and then you're done. Even in this OB, I have a trick again because I tried it. Back it. I played this game, I think a lot of times. I just played it so for you guys. Yes, for you. So guys, if you thought that it's very noisy in here, it's because of the mini fan. See, I know this because, yeah, I played it a lot of times, as I said. I just want to say that this part is pretty hard if there are some other players tricking you, because they will make you stuck. Back then, when I was a kid, this is really hurt to me. I post it because I fall. So now we are going up, and I think this is. I don't know why did I fall because of my increasing. Okay, guys, I think this is the hard part because it's really insensitive. Yeah. Well, I watched my favorite YouTuber, so that's why I knew that trick. So go to that tip. Yay! I won. The wall said I won't escape, but I can escape because, I'm Yumi. I think this is the part where I get very angry because I kept dying. Okay, this time I will do good. Promise. See, I did good. What? I cannot put in. What's that rat thing? I don't know. Okay, it's the part where it's getting interesting because look at this character, you can swing them. I got very distracted. Find the crowbar. Okay, I will. Still playing with the skeleton? Yeah, the crowbar is there. It's right there, girl. Take it. I tried this, but it isn't moving. But the other is, and he isn't. I think he is very special. Yeah, I want to go up so I can finish the game early, but I don't know if I will finish it early. I didn't know that the door was opening like that because back then it was just half open and you cannot move it like the skeleton earlier. And this is pretty hard because I and died and I just closed it because I had many trials. Too many again. Okay, I finished it. Back then, this is not a stair. It's just straight without stair. It's just straight floor. I don't know why I keep checking the camera. We're going down, down, down in the lava. No kidding. Well, this part I tried to walk, but I fall into the lava. I'm pretty tough. And I expect to spawn up, not right back. Yeah, it's kinda hard going up this ladder because I'm short, okay? Don't mind me jumping them again. Well, if you're doing that, that's the wrong way. Okay? Right way is going up here. And there you go. Perfect. Okay, exit. Yay! The end. There's a trash. Let me take it out. Okay, this one. That's it, guys. Bye. Keep. We are in the area. But it says run home. Okay then. I don't know where's the right way, but let's just go forward. Okay, I see him. What? Why does he run like that? It's so weird. Okay. Yay, we are almost home. Yay. Yeah, I saw him. It's a snow runner. Okay, we'll just collect the badge and that's it. That's it, guys. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye. Remember to play this game.